Hello everyone, in this class I'll show you how to swap the column. When we met the long form that is not so easy to read, we can swap it to make it clear. Like this picture, after swapping it becomes more tidy and easy to read. And there we have two methods. Method 1 is selective paste. First, choose the data and copy it. You can press Ctrl+C or right-click to click the copy. And let's see the video. Click, hold and drag to select, and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then move to another cell, right-click and click the Pass Special. And choose the icon represent column swap. At last, you'll get the form which is swapped. And let's see how it works. Click, hold and drag to select, and press Ctrl+C to copy it. And then move to another cell, right-click and click the Pass Special. Choose the icon represent column swap. And the method 2 is using transpose formula. Its syntax is transpose with a couple of parentheses and the position of the original form. And let's start. First, select blank cells. Notice, be sure to select the same number of cells as the original cell combination, but in opposite direction. Second, enter the equal sign and transpose and its parameters, which is the position of the form you want to swap, or just select it, use click, hold and drag. And let's see the video. Select blank cells and enter the equal sign and the transpose and its parameters. And at last, press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. Notice, not only press Enter, and at the end you'll get the same result as method 1. And let's see the video. Press Ctrl+Shift+Enter. And that's all our content in this class. Thanks for your attention.